In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a dreamy soft focus look that gives your footage a glowing and cinematic feel. This style is often used in emotional scenes, flashbacks, weddings, or romantic moments. Let's begin. First, place your clip on the timeline. Now duplicate the clip by holding the Alt key and dragging it to the track above. Select the top clip, go to the effects panel and search for a blur effect. Drag it onto the top clip. And now, go to the effect controls panel. You'll see options to adjust width, height, blur amount, and softness. Increase the blur amount slightly, then adjust the width and height values to control how the blur spreads across the frame. Now increase the softness slider. This helps smooth out the glow and makes the effect look more natural. Next, go to the opacity section of the top layer. Change the blend mode to lighten or screen. As soon as you switch the blend mode, you'll notice the brighter areas start to glow while the darker areas remain more controlled. If the effect feels too strong, reduce the opacity of the top layer slightly. Fine-tune the blur amount and softness until you achieve a gentle, dreamy look. The key is subtlety. The glow should enhance the image, not overpower it. And that's it. You now know how to create a dreamy, soft focus look in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.